how do we make our nose look really thin and good in pictures. So I'm going to show you a technique of how to do a nose job without going through a surgery. So let me show you the products that you need for this kind of makeup to make your nose look really nice and thin. So let's begin.
So this is the contour kit along with the contour brush and the beauty blender.
So I have this contour kit with me which has two colors, as you can see, the lighter one and the darker one. If you don't get this one, you can probably just pick up one color for the contouring. You can take a little bit on your brush and don't forget to dust it off. And here we go.
So I'm using this contour color on my nose to give the shape of the nose. And then I'm using this highlight color to give more shape to my nose. I'm also using this Huda Beauty palette. There's this color in this palette which I really like for contouring the nose. As you can see, I'm using also the Huda Beauty 3D highlight palette. This color to define the bridge of the nose.